Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Form 16 to file your income tax return. This essential document is provided by your employer and simplifies the process significantly. It acts as a certificate of tax deducted at source, or TDS, on your salary. We will cover how to understand its components and accurately transfer the information to your ITR form. Getting this right can save you time and ensure compliance with tax regulations, making your filing experience much smoother. Form 16 is divided into two main parts, each serving a distinct purpose. Part A provides a summary of the tax deducted by your employer and deposited with the government, along with your PAN and the employer's TAN. Part B offers a comprehensive breakdown of your gross salary, any exempt allowances, and deductions under various sections like 80C and 80D. Carefully reviewing both parts ensures all figures are accurate before you proceed with your tax filing. Once you have your complete Form 16, the next step is to accurately transfer this information to your income tax return form. For most salaried individuals, ITR1 is the appropriate form. You'll need to input your gross salary, perquisites, and profits in lieu of salary from Part B. Then, enter your total tax deducted at source from Part A. Double-check all figures to ensure consistency and avoid any discrepancies that could lead to notices from the tax department. To ensure a smooth filing experience, always reconcile the TDS details in your Form 16 with Form 26 as any discrepancies should be addressed with your employer promptly. Remember to claim all eligible deductions, like those for life insurance premiums or Provident Fund contributions, which can significantly lower your tax liability. Filing your income tax return before the specified deadline, usually July 31st, is crucial to avoid late fees and ensure compliance. A little preparation goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.